Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Institute Rank. Are you searching for the best NEET coaching in your city Pimpri Chinchwad? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you top 4 institutes for best NEET preparations in your city Pimpri Chinchwad. Before beginning the video, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon below. So without further delay, let us begin the video. Before moving to our top 4 institutes, I would like to mention about one institute, which is the Hindu Zone. When you will connect to the Hindu Zone by going to their website, which is www.thehinduzone.com, they will provide you a completely free of cost counseling session. Yes, you heard it right. The Hindu Zone provides a counseling session, and that too completely free of cost, which is definitely a great advantage for the students. So when student will call the institute or connect to them, the institute expert mentors will talk to the students and will try to solve their doubts, and also will guide them that according to their course which institution is best for them. Now let us talk about our top 4 institutes for best NEET preparations in Pimpri Chinchwad. At rank 1, we have Toppers Academy. Toppers Academy is one of the finest coaching center for NEET preparation. It is completely online coaching and is spread across all over India. So you should definitely try Toppers Academy once. If you wish to connect to the institute, you can do it by going to their website, which is www.toppersacademy.app. At rank 2, we have NEET Academy. NEET Academy is an entrance-oriented institute taking young aspirants on the way of success in IIT, JEE, NEET, and motivating the students for fulfilling their goals with trustworthy results. They believe in using their skills to do their best for students, and so they are completely vested in their students' efforts with dynamic, confident, insightful listener and communicator who forwards action to help students achieve their goals. Further, it is one of the leading medical entrance coaching institute till date. This institute also offers to prepare for engineering entrance examinations like IIT JEE to the students. The institute mainly focuses on NEET, JEE Main and JEE Advanced along with boards too. In addition to this, it reached the milestone in creating students of PCMC to achieve their ambitions in life. Besides students' aspiration and determination, they know how to nourish, nurture and instill confidence in the mind of sincere and devoted students by systematic classes, schedule and conduction of NEET IIT JEE regular internal examinations. Now, let us discuss about the features of the institute. So, the very first feature is they have a good teaching experience of more than 12 years. The good classroom atmosphere is provided, which makes students more comfortable in learning. Next, study materials and test series are provided for daily assessments. At third, we have they provide concept-centered teaching to enhance your logical and analytical thinking. Number 4, involvement of the latest techniques for conceptual about the topic. And then we have the longer classroom session to develop your concentration as well as sitting habit. And at last we have regular home assignment and assessment for practice are given in the institute. Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have Aakash Institute. Aakash Institute is one of the most famous institutions in the country that provides comprehensive test preparatory assistance to students for preparation of medical entrance examinations. The institute initially started operations in Delhi with a few students, but with the vision of Mr. J.C. Chaudhary, a prominent teacher and educationist, some of these students cracked the medical entrance exam, securing top ranks. Further, as a result, Aakash turned into one of the best NEET coaching institutes for preparation of medical entrance examination. This institute consists of highly educated and trained faculty. They use an approach called ABC, that is, action-based coaching, technique to clear fundamental concept of students. For students who are weaker, special classes are conducted towards performance improvement and learning. In addition to this, the top rankers in NEET are from this coaching institute from the last 3 consecutive years. Yes, you heard it right. This coaching institute uses tailor-made technique methodology. Their study material is such designed that it satisfies the conceptual competitive academic need of the students. Now let us discuss the features of joining Aakash Institute of Pimpri Chinchwad. The very first is, this institute provides their own study material to bridge the regional gap. At number 2 they also provide revision classes that improve the confidence of weak, non-serious and shy students along with the toppers as well. Then, extra classes are also arranged so students can clarify their doubts. At number 4 the institute also actively uses modern technology in their coaching practices such as audio video classes and online test series. And at last, they provide up to 100% scholarship to students seeking admissions to their institute through ANTHE, which is a popular entrance examination. So friends, the last institute we'll be discussing in this video, also our rank 4 institute, is Rao IIT Academy. Rao IIT Academy is a premium and excellent coaching institute. They provide coaching for engineering entrance exams like IIT JEE Main, JEE Advanced, BITSAT, etc. and also provide coaching for medical entrance exams like AIIMS and NEET. The academy is fully loaded with rich ambience and state-of-the-art infrastructural facilities to complement the teaching and to meet the requirements by providing a competitive environment that is suitable for shaping young aspirations into reality and paving the way to success. Further, Rao IIT Academy opened its Pune chapter by starting 4 centers in FC Road, Pimpri, Tilak Road and Camp in less than a year. The seed sowed in Kota has now grown into a tree, spreading all across the nation, ripening the fruit of knowledge and wisdom. The key features of joining Rao IIT Academy of Pimpri Chinchwad includes: parent-teacher meetings are held to inform the parents about the students' progress. At number 2, counseling sessions and motivational classes are organized in order to help the student overcome stress, pressure and other difficulties. Then they encourage good students to achieve more. At number 4, they support weaker students to do better. And at last, they have systematic management which works very well. So, these were our top 4 institutes for best NEET preparations in your city, Pimpri Chinchwad. For more information and updates like this, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.